Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Arty Resin channel. My name is Thais. As you can see, for today's video I chose a tic-tac-toe game and I had a great idea for it. I'm gonna mix all those glitters, the glitters that you can see, the chunky glitters, dark blue, light blue, pink, and colorful one with red, orange, yellow, green on it. And for each little square inside, I'm gonna put colorful stickers too. The stickers that match the glitters. So, and I'm gonna cover it with black resin. And I'm gonna do the glitters in the X's and O's too, and cover with the black resin. I think it's gonna be really cool. These are the stickers that I'm talking about. They're really colorful and shiny and sparkling. I think it's gonna look cool with backing it with the black resin. And I'm not gonna use them as stickers. I'm gonna put them upside down. And I'm gonna choose the smaller ones, of course. The big ones, they don't fit. And I'm gonna pick like randomly, you know, a little bit of each. And to have all the colors on it. And I really think it's gonna look nice, guys. Okay, I put my gloves on. And I'm gonna start stirring my resin and my hardener. Today I'm using Platinum River Table Epoxy. I simply love it. And I'm gonna work with 150 milliliters today. 100 milliliters of resin and 50 milliliters of hardener, because this resin is 2 part A to 1 part B. And guys, I have 3 molds in front of me because each mold only comes with 2 X's and 2 O's. And I obviously need more than that. So I bought 3 of them so I can do all at once, you know. So yeah, that's why. And yeah, so now we gotta start mixing our glitters. I'm gonna leave the cup here so you guys can see what I'm doing. And these glitters that I'm using, the only one that is from Dollar Tree is the dark pink one. It's Crafter's Square, I think is that, right? From Dollar Tree. The other 3 ones, this one that I'm using, the light blue and the dark blue, are from Walmart. That brand that I really like selling. And I like them, yeah. So they're chunky. All of them are chunky glitters. So I'm gonna mix them all. See, this one, there's no red. I thought there was red, but there's not. This one has like kind of neon colors. Pink, yellow, green, and orange. Perfect to match with the stickers, guys. They are also from Dollar Tree. And now I'm gonna use the light blue. And then the pink and the dark blue. And as you guys can see, I'm not really measuring them. I'm just going with the flow. I'm not a huge fan of this measuring stuff, you know, unless it's really necessary, you know, to make like a bloom or something like that for technique. Otherwise, I really don't like measuring. I just want to do it till it looks the way I really want it to look like. You know what I mean? So yeah. Until it's not enough glitter, I won't stop, believe me. Same thing with the pigments. So yeah, I'm gonna put the dark pink now and gonna give them a good mix to see if it's enough. I put it in a smaller cup to be easier to pour. Now I'm spraying my alcohol and let's start. We're done with the first part. Now we gotta let it cure so we can back it with the black resin, right? Wait there, guys. I'm gonna be right back. And I'm back already. See how fast that was? It doesn't even look like it was 24 hours waiting, right? So yeah, I'm using, as always, Platinum River Table Epoxy. And I'm gonna show you guys what I used to do this black color. It wasn't just like one black pigment paste. I just wanted to mix something to get to a different black. So it was the black Pinata alcohol ink, the black acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, the black resin pigment from Let's Resin, and the black mica powder also from Let's Resin. And I used a teeny tiny amount of fine glitter from Sulling, the one that we buy from Walmart. The color is onyx, just a teeny tiny amount. And yeah, so just want to remember you guys that we need to pour the black resin and wait 24 hours more so it cures, so we can come back and do our stickers, right? And then I'm gonna decide if I'm going to use UV resin or epoxy resin to seal the stickers. But yeah, I'll be right back. Here, I just wanted to show you guys the stickers again. So yeah, let's give those molds a good spray of alcohol so we don't have a headache with bubbles. We don't like bubbles, right? And this one here, guys, I'm gonna skip it. I'm not gonna do it. I did one extra O. I'm not happy with it. And let's start it. Okay, let's spray them again. And don't move, because I'll be right back for the demolding time. 24 hours later, and they're cured as a rock. Let's demold them. I am going to start with the X's and O's, okay? And here they are. Look how cute they are. Obviously, some have more glitters than others. There's no way to control that. We try hard, but it's not always a success. But yes, I think they look awesome, right? And I'm gonna show you guys all the X's and O's, and then I'm gonna show you the board. What do you guys think so far? Do you like it? Would you guys have done something different? Do you have any tips? Because I'm planning to do more, you know, because I really enjoyed working with this mold. So let's turn it. Let's see the board. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Oh my God, guys. Exactly how I was expecting it to be. So pretty, and it's so smooth. There are no glitters like coming out of it, you know what I mean? Awesome. And I'm gonna have to give the X's and O's a little trimming, and the board as well. I'm gonna put them here so you guys see how it looks like. And with the stickers, for a bit I thought it would maybe too much with the stickers, too colorful, like too much information, but it's gonna be nice when the X's and O's are not in the board, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Now I'm gonna choose which ones I want, and I'm gonna place them in the board, and I'll be right back. And here they are. What do you guys think? I believe I found the perfect spot for each. I didn't stick them yet. I'm gonna do one by one. It's gonna take time. And I'm still wondering if I seal them with UV resin or epoxy resin. I'm not sure yet. But as soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna let you guys know, okay? So let's start sticking them. Okay, we're done with the stickers, and I decided to seal them using Platinum Premium 360 Plus Epoxy, okay? And guys, I would like to thank you so much for sticking around, for subscribing, liking, okay? Thank you, that means a lot to me. we are finally done, guys. As soon as it's cured, I'm gonna be back as always with a detailed video for you and pictures, okay? Once more, thank you so much for sticking around. See you in the next video.